This is OPPO A78 5G, and today I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start, I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the fingerprint ID feature, or to put it in more obvious terms, how you can lock your screen with your own fingerprint. So in order to do that, you will need to launch settings, onwards enter the password and security, tap at the fingerprint, agree at the statement of use. Then set up the backup screen lock password. You can choose the method that you would like to go with. I'll personally go with pattern. So enable set up the password of your choice, and then we can start adding the fingerprint. The sensor on this phone is located at the side power button, as you can see. So in order to scan your finger, you will simply need to continuously and repetitively lay it onto the sensor or scanner until the entire surface of your fingerprint will be scanned and enrolled. So in my case, that has been already done. Now I can start using the fingerprint to unlock the screen. So as you can see, my screen is locked now. Well, for some mysterious reason, my fingerprint was not recognized. I mean, that's explainable since it's a low-end phone, and the sensor on it is not the best one, obviously. It might sometimes malfunction, but as you can see, this time I've unlocked the display, no problem. So it works somewhat acceptable. The next option I wanted to highlight today, you can find at the display category of settings, or display and brightness to be 100% precise. It is called the screen refresh rate, and you can switch between 60 and 90 Hz values. And as you can clearly see from the preview animations, the higher you go, the smoother animations and interface, how do you say it? Just animations and visuals are smoother and silkier, but at the same time it drains more battery. So if you would like to conserve or reduce the power consumption, you can just set this value to be at the standard 60 Hz. But if not, just change it to 90. The following feature, or the next feature that I wanted to talk about today, you can find, or actually I'll just reveal what it is. I will show how you can activate the battery percentage at the status bar, because as you can see right now, it does not show how much battery I have left, only visually. But if you would like to know at all times precisely how much power you have left, you can absolutely do that by going for notifications in status bar, then status bar, battery percentage, choose whatever layout you like more, for the battery percentage to be either inside the icon or outside it. And as you can see, that will be, now I know for sure that my battery is at 47% of capacity, or it has 47% left, power left. The following feature, or the following tweak that I wanted to show you guys, that's another one related to the visuals of the system. So I will show how you can change this home screen transition animations. So call out the additional home screen menu. In here, go for the transitions and simply choose the transition that you like most, or that you like the most rather. I'll go with this one, then done. And now as you can see, my home screen change animation or switch animation was successfully modified. And moving on to fifth and final tip for this video, guys. This one is a performance related feature which allows your system to, have more performance. It is called the RAM expansion, and in order to access it, you will need to enter the About Device category of settings first, then tap at the RAM, toggle on this switch, and choose how many gigabytes you would like to increase your random access memory for. After that, reboot the device in order for those changes to be applied, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.